weather like this, you just feel it weighing down on you and keeping it very quiet. Of course, there are the annoying cars. Everybody's got to go places, I guess. But today it just feels heavy. The air feels very heavy. It's pleasantly warm. And like misty, moisty. The only one talking is the birds. The only ones talking are the birds. And when I walk in this kind of weather, oh goodness, well, when I walk in general, I just think about things. Organizing things with my aunt and my sister the other day. That was, my aunt, even though she sounds fine, she says she's got her health problems, and she does. And they seem to be getting worse, which is not good. But we don't have to stay there at all or for very long. So my daughter and I are prepared. My sister is apparently very busy. She still wants us to come, but she says, realize I'm very busy these days. No problem. We can deal with that. I heard the cows. Yes. I discussed with them their silence this morning. Then the baby, who has gotten much bigger, went over to nuzzle with his mom. They sort of gave each other kisses. And I thought, okay, that's cool. Everyone's happy in the cow world. No horses here. They'll all be up at the main buildings. There's someone coming by to pick up my table. Yay! I'm excited to get rid of that table. Now that I have the replacement, that other heavy thing can go, go, go. Person with dog. Car coming. Really? people like that jerks. And I'm still thinking about that YouTuber. And still not knowing what is true and what is not true. But I'm very suspicious because so many people are commenting and going, you're all saying, well, we hear that and we apparently, and all these people are commenting and they're not even involved and they don't even really know. They just want to talk about what other people are saying. And they just want to make their own bit of money. Yeah, she is not the brightest knife in the block. Never has been. But I'm not sure if that makes her a bad person. But of course, people will take advantage. So, so those are the things that I think about when I go on a walk on a day like this. In the heavy, misty, moisty weather. Let's go home and get some breakfast, huh? What do you think?